Same with the crew. Boy KG. Checking up in this thing with y'all with nothing, man. Shit, y'all see it's bright and early in the morning, man. Finna goddamn get out here on this slab. Man, my damn truck done cut off. Finna jump out here on this slab, man. Finna go down here to the A. To this little mega car show down here. So shit, we out here finna jump on this slab early this morning, man. Early. Crank the Cadillac back up, man. Y'all work with me. Yeah. Turn your ass on. I ain't tell you to turn off. But yeah, we finna get out here early this morning, man. We finna jump down here to the mega car show. Down here in the A. Finna get down here and see what they got going on down here, man. Hope to see some you know, some decent shit, which I know they them niggas down there in Atlanta and shit. Them niggas got them bags up in they shit, man. Yeah, so but yeah, that's what we on today, man. We gonna get down here, me and bruh. Gonna jump in the big boy Benzo Lorenzo. I'm gonna get a caddy in Tahoe break today. We ain't driving down one of them today, man. But shit, I'm gonna jump down here to the bank real quick and shit, grab me a few coins. You know what I'm saying? They don't tell them what we might do. You know what I'm saying? We get down there. But yeah, that's what we on today, man. But if you're sitting there watching the video, man, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on all post notifications, join the crew, 10K giveaway, 2012 Chrysler 300, still got the 24-inch RTs coming forward, man. So yeah, rock with your boy, man. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me. I'm shoot by the bank shit and shit, I'll turn y'all back on when I get to bro house. Alright. Shit, what it do, crew? Shit, we made it over goddamn bro house. Y'all see the goddamn. Y'all see it back there. Your boy on the passenger side today, goddamn bro say he gonna drive, man. So shit, we might well say we gonna go on goddamn make it event, man. We gonna go on goddamn camp out down there tonight and everything, man. We gonna shit, we finna see what's going on in the A, goddamn. That's what we finna do. For real. Zoom out this motherfucker. I got it all in your face like a new, you know what I'm saying? The fuck? It's too early, y'all. It's too early. Yeah, let's show y'all what's going in real quick. Y'all done seen it once. Y'all done seen it once. We got to meet up with the crew. Shit, all us finna goddamn jump out here on this goddamn slab. See what we got. Yeah. 2017. Hey, Big body band. I think he said he just in there packing up. You know what I'm saying? He said he running a little bit behind and everything. But yeah. Goddamn, we jumping out here, Black Magic. For real. Yeah, we getting out here in today, man. Like I said, 22-inch replicas. So we get down here and see what's going on. We're gonna party the big boy Lack today. We're gonna give a break today. What's going on, Pop?
Hit somebody in the head with that club, man.
No. You know, I'm out here shooting my video. Oh yeah, you on TV now. You on TV. That's Pop's day, y'all. Pop's, hey, shit talker, my dog though. He out here early this morning. Hey, let me see if she come out here on the porch. That's the inside joke between me and him. My little neighbor across the street over there. Pop, I know you been creeping over there. Hey, you be creeping. You know what I'm saying? But nah, we just chilling, man. But yeah, we finna go and pack up and shit, get ready to get out here on this slab, man. I'll turn y'all back on. We meet up with the crew. Alright. Shit. Got some of the crew pulling up, y'all. Boy, hands down. Man, that's one of the cleanest motherfucking Impalas, man. I'm talking about this motherfucker here, hey, it get his justice, cause my man, he done won plenty motherfucking contact. He gonna take home a trophy today. Huh? Okay. He gonna take home a trophy today in this motherfucker, y'all. I'm to my man, this bitch, look at that motherfucker, y'all. Look at it. I'm to my the motherfucking truth, man. Straight up. And brother pulled up in the goddamn big boy Navy. So you goddamn get out here on the slab, shit. Huh? Huh? I'm really feeling important now. Right. Hey. Really? I'm a good guy. Good guy. I'm gonna wrap me up. Yeah. Huh? Goddamn nappy.
Oh my God. I thought you were pulling yours.
No, I went on there back now, man. Yeah. I know these boys down here. They got. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this motherfucker where I really can show it. I know he coming home with something. This bitch so sexy, man. I'm to my sexy as hell. Man, I'm to my truth, y'all. Straight up. Motherfucking truth. Everything been touched on. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Motherfucking roof in the trunk, nigga. I think it's a game. 256 up in this motherfucker. Yeah. On the go Uchis. You got, hey, this motherfucker clean, man. I'm to my straight up. This bitch is the truth. For real. The truth. Yes, sir. But yeah, that's enough for the rah-rah talk, man. We finna goddamn chop it up. We finna get on this slab, man. I'll turn y'all back on. Alright. What's up with it, crew? Man, me and bruh, we out here on the goddamn road, right? I'm gonna show y'all this motherfucking car that, mind y'all, we in the big body Benz here. This motherfucker, hey, he been put... Hey, I believe he want to get the one with bruh. Man. I think he want to test the goddamn turbos in this bitch. Cause we been fucking with it about the last 30, 40 miles now. He'll pull up beside. Oh, no, I'm finna show him to you. I'm finna show him y'all. Hey, he want to get bruh the business. Oh, he behind us. Oh, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I don't know if y'all can see it. Little bit of Grand Prix, and he on bruh ass back there. A Grand Am, my man. Watch. Bruh gonna fuck with it. Yeah, he wanna get bruh the business. Look, y'all. He can shout around us. He can shout around us, y'all. Come on with it, bro. Look. There he go. Been fucking with us. I'm talking about for the last 30, 40 miles. Hit the brakes, then hit the gas, then speed up. I don't know what they got going on. This motherfucker here, boy, these folks cannot drive around this bitch here, man. Let me zoom this motherfucker out, man. Yeah, we just got there, we chillin', man. We roll, got there, chit-chatting, you know what I'm saying? But got so tickled at this motherfucking Grand Am, man. I'm somebody, he was trying to get us to Biz Naive.
Oh, she turned off.
Oh, they done turned off. I guess they done found their destination, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We hit the A. Alright, crew. Shit, we made it in the A. Past the Six Flags now, man. Y'all can't see it because all the trees and shit today. Anybody that ever been to Six Flags, y'all know where it's at. Right back there. Y'all see it. Yeah, we come through the A, man, fighting all this motherfucking traffic came on, man. These motherfuckers out here, boy, hey. These motherfuckers is terrible when it comes to this driving, boy. Call the fast lane for a motherfucking reason. That means scooted and booted or move. One of the two. Yeah, me and brothers been out here on the goddamn gas tripping on these non-driving ass motherfuckers and all of those bullshit here. These motherfuckers blocking the lane now. Ain't going nowhere. It's called fast lane, bitch. For real. Yeah, they can't drive, man. That's that Atlanta traffic for you, though. That's how they do. Look. Ain't nothing stopping. Terrible, man. Terrible. Like, get out the way, man. Like, for real. It's like the goddamn twin turbos open up, goddamn, yeah. How this look at it. Yeah. Twin turbos. Yeah, man. Shit, we almost there. We got about about 40 more minutes before we get on up in there, man. We're trying to catching with my homeboy now. See too many brake lights coming up here, so we're finna hit this traffic. So turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, crew. Oh shit. Goddamn touchdown down here, man. Y'all see it. Atlanta Motor Speedway. Yeah, we done touched down, man. She goddamn she headed down. Yes, sir. Got on down through him. In that order. But yeah, we shit, waiting on the homies them to pull it up. We came another way, they came the opposite way, and shit, we waited on them to pull up, and yeah, we finna jump down in here and see what we got going on. But if you made this far, man, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell to all, man. I appreciate it. Rock out with your boy, KG. Y'all already know what it is. Turn y'all back on, we get inside the gate. Alright.